Schoology tips and tricks. Tip number 21, the beauty of bulk edit. If you have created Schoology units and whole courses ahead of time that you saved in resources or saved in a sandbox and import into a new class at the beginning of the school year, bulk edit is an amazing place to go to update everything and make sure everything is the way you want it to be regarding syncing to PowerSchool, published or unpublished. And if you've never seen this, this is a really great place to also check, like, oh, why is this not showing up somewhere? Going to bulk edit is a place to troubleshoot, and that's often where we go first if somebody reaches out with a problem with their Schoology gradebook or Schoology assignments coming up in PowerSchool. So if you are in your Schoology gradebook and you come up here to the three dots and you go down to bulk edit, when you do that, you will see every assignment that is in your course from whatever folders maybe you have imported. Everything you have added will show up here that is an assignment or an assessment or the quiz test feature, which is going out of style. But when I'm here, this is where I get a total overview of my course. You see this green published option, and you can go through and check and uncheck items that you would like to publish or unpublish. Keeping in mind, never unpublish something that already has grades attached to it. But if these are things for later in the school year, I might go through here and unpublish things that I don't want students to have access to. You can also see what category they are attached to, and I can very easily change my category right here. I can change points. I can change how these are graded. So I can see that all of these are numeric instead of the CASD default. So I can change all of these over to the CASD default. I can change the due date for all of these, and I can also change the grading period for all of the assignments. So if I have imported this from a previous year into a new year, I want to make sure that these are all set up for the correct grading period. So I might want to change all these to 24, 25. And the last thing that you have here is the sync to SIS option, which is SIS is our PowerSchool. So this tells me, this one is not set to sync. I want to do that to make sure that I can sync all of my assignments over to my Power Teacher gradebook. You can also see down here, I have several, because this was just a folder I brought in for workshop training purposes. I have several that do not have a grading period attached to them at all. So I can change that to 2025 or marking period 1, marking period 2, any of those things you can do here in bulk edit. And then you simply hit save changes for all of those. So this is a really great area to be aware of within your Power Teacher or your Schoology gradebook. Is the bulk edit option for all of those things that you have imported from resources or from another class.